How's it going, everybody? It's your bro here, hope you're doing well, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys how we can compile and run Java programs using command prompt. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support will help keep this channel running. Hey everybody, so we're going to compile and run a Java file with command prompt, and I made this cheat sheet here, and I'll keep this up as we're going through the steps. And I'll also post this in the comments down below if you'd like a copy of all the steps. So let's begin with step number 1. We have to make sure we have a Java JDK, a Java development kit installed, and we did this in lesson 1. So let's just be sure that we have it. This is how to find your JDK. So I'm going to go to my C drive that is located right here. It's within program files, the Java folder. And here are the JDKs. So I actually downloaded the most recent version that came out recently, so that's why I have two. So if you're missing the JDK, just go to any web browser and look up Java JDK download. It's going to be this first link, and then go to JDK download and select the appropriate file for your operating system. And that is step 1. Now with step number 2, this is completely optional, but we don't always necessarily need to rely on an IDE like Eclipse or IntelliJ IDEA to create a Java file for us. We can write Java code using a text editor such as Notepad. So let's actually do this for practice. Let's create a simple Hello World program. So I'm just going to open up Notepad, and then we're going to type in public class and the name of a class. So let's call this class Hello World. Then we need a set of curly braces, and then we need to create a main method within this class. And this is the starting point of the program. So that's public static void main parentheses. Within the parentheses, we type in string straight braces args. I think I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So I'm just holding Control plus to zoom in. And then we need to add a set of curly braces for this main method. Okay, and then let's create a print line statement. So system.out.println parentheses semicolon at the end, and let's display a message within double quotes. So maybe bro says to subscribe or else. And now once you finish your code, what we're going to do is save this to a convenient place. So I'm just going to save this to my desktop. And what we're going to type for the file name is the name of the class. Match this exactly. It is case sensitive as well, so that's Hello World. And the important part is to type in .java, so we're using the Java file extension. And we'll click save. All right, and here is my Java file. I'm just going to open this up, and here it is. All right, let's move on to step 3. We're going to open command prompt, or if you're using Mac, I believe that is terminal on your computer. So I'm going to look up command prompt. Okay, now the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to set the path to where our Java development kit is. So we can actually look this up. So I'm going to go to my C drive. That is here. It's within program files, within the Java folder. Then click the latest JDK that you have. And then we're going to go to the bin folder. Then we want to copy this address. So I'm just going to right click, copy address. And then we're going to set the path to this address. So set path equals the path to your JDK, the bin folder, and hit enter. All right, so that is step 4. Now step 5 is that we're going to change the directory so it's pointing to your location for your Java file. So cd, and then let's get the address for this file. So properties, and I'm going to copy this location. So cd and the address. So the directory changed to my desktop here. Now we can compile this Java code to bytecode, which is actually portable. So on step 6, we're going to type in javac for Java compile, and we're going to compile our HelloWorld.java file. So make sure you get the capitalization right and make sure that this ends with .java, and hit enter. So nothing appears to happen, but that's okay though. So now we have this class file, and this is actually bytecode, so it looks like it's in an alien language. So this is Java bytecode. If you remember from the very first lesson, we take a Java file and compile it to bytecode, and bytecode is actually portable between different operating systems and machines. So if I wrote this with a Windows computer, this file is portable to, let's say, a Mac, but that Mac would need a JRE, Java runtime environment, but that usually comes with the JDK that we installed. So let's actually run this now. So this is a .class file, and let's take a look at that. And our Java file was a .java file. So if we want to run this .class file, what we type in is Java and the name of the file, so that's hello world, and hit enter. And it runs our program, and here it says, bro says to subscribe or else. Now here's another thing that you can try. Let's take a Java project that we've made in the past. I'll take this stopwatch program that I made, and there's actually a GUI component with this. So this contains at least 2 different files. So I'm going to copy this and place this on my desktop. Alright, and then we can actually run this using command prompt. So what we actually need to find is the class file that contains the main method. So that is located within the bin folder of this project, and that is right here for main. Alright, so here's that class file, and actually if you look in the source folder, these are the Java files that we compile. So we need to run this main file within this folder. So let's go through the steps. We have a JDK installed. We're going to open command prompt, which we have. We'll need to set the path, so let's do that real quick. So we'll make sure we set the path. Okay, we're good. And then we're going to change the directory of where this file is located. So let's find the address for this. So that is within here. So I'm just going to copy this address, and we're going to type cd and the address of this file. Alright, and then this is already compiled, so we can skip this step because it's a class file already, so there's no need to compile. All we need to do is type in Java and the name of the file that contains the main method. So that is, for my project folder, main. And when I hit enter, it's going to run my stopwatch program. So that's the basics. I'll post these steps in the description and in the comments down below if you would like a copy for yourself. But yeah, that's how to compile and run a Java program with command prompt. Hey you. Yeah, I'm talking to you. If you learned something new, then you can help me help you in 3 easy steps by smashing that like button, drop a comment down below, and subscribe if you'd like to become a fellow bro.